So, what if I told you Apple might be working on a new Vision headset that's actually wearable without making you feel like Iron Man dragging a mini server on his face? Yeah, it's called the Apple Vision Air, and if the leaks are real, this could be the mixed reality headset people actually want to use. Now, we all know the Vision Pro looked like something out of a sci-fi movie, sleek, futuristic, and incredibly bulky. With nearly a kilo of tech strapped to your head and a battery pack dangling off your hip like a 90s pager, it was more of a flex than a daily device. Oh, and let's not forget that lovely $3,500 price tag. But Apple seems to have heard the feedback, and they're cooking up something much lighter, much thinner, and maybe a lot more affordable. Leaker Kosutami, over on X, says Apple is building this thing with a titanium internal frame. Yes, the same featherlight material used in the iPhone 15 Pro and Apple Watch Ultra. That alone could shave off a lot of weight. The outer shell? Still aluminum, but in a new deep midnight black finish. And get this, there's a dark graphite color in the works too, giving major iPhone 5 vibes. They're even redesigning the charging connector, dropping from 12 pins to 8, making it chunkier, but maybe more efficient and aligned with a new stealthy design. While we don't have full spec sheets yet, this shows Apple is clearly rethinking how these headsets handle power and data. And this isn't just one random rumor either. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman also reported that Apple is developing two Vision models. One that's lighter and cheaper, sounds like Vision Air, right? And another high-end version that tethers to your Mac, basically turning your headset into a wearable 4K monitor for your workflow. If Vision Air is the real deal, this could be the shift that takes Apple's mixed reality tech from a futuristic flex to something actually practical for everyday people. No more Iron Man cosplay, just sleek, functional innovation. If you're into leaks, rumors, and all things Apple, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.